watch or
Yeah,
see anything?
I had no clue we had him talking today, although I was looking at charts yesterday, and I think this could be a dip buy opportunity for the long term, or just like in general, in bigger
Long-term
time frames.
investments. Yay!
Not the long term and poor, but just like in general, I still think we could have upside potential here on the bigger time frame, maybe. Not
Speaking right
100%
now, by
convinced yet.
Oh shit, I'm not muted.
Yeah, I
do it.
kind of want to see if this is going to be a failed breakdown or not. So, yeah, I guess we'll have to see.
Yeah. The yen carry trade with the dollar lowering is a bad thing, but it I'm not sure if we're gonna see nice cash boom because of that. Yeah, not close too
It's
soon.
talking right
So
now. Oh, it's not good.
yeah, maybe we shouldn't reduce sites yesterday. Damn, it
I was thinking
was
about
kind
that.
of slow.
It was
Yeah,
kind
it
of
was
slow
kind of
yesterday.
yeah. I was not expecting that after that pre-market. Pre-market was really high at ATR,
Mm-hmm.
and at open also really high. After that downside and VIX increased, but I kind of went into shop mode and wasn't that wasn't that volatile actually. It was volatile, but not like decrease in size necessarily volatile. I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we
Yeah.
only ran 35-point stop, only 5-point difference there. So that actually wasn't that bad. And I actually liked our entry, and like I said, I think our stop was valid there, even at 35 points. So I guess we'll have to see. I don't like that he's talking right now, though.
Been talking for 32 minutes, 38. No, wait, 34 minutes. So might be done in a bit.
Maybe in like an hour or so. I don't know. We're kind of popping here.
China.
Yeah, this is kind of a buy spot for me, like on a bigger structure.
Yeah, we
Just
didn't see aggressive selling on Nasdaq yesterday.
no.
So only M&Q. So we're not seeing that aggressiveness yet on the bigger contracts. Doesn't mean we could just backtest and go lower
Lower,
though,
yeah.
but yeah,
I
but
honestly
for
kind of want to take some option swings, maybe for long, for a couple weeks out, maybe. Just an idea.
I think upside target should be the gap fill from Monday's open.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd agree.
Bismillah, shawty.
Retest on a flag there. 22. Hmm. Yeah, I kind of like this overall. I think I am gonna take some options today. Probably like 3 weeks out or something like that. I don't know. Alrighty. Yeah, so apparently we're supposed to get 18 to 22 inches of snow on Sunday. So that
22 inches.
yeah, 18
Right.
to 22.
On Sunday?
Yep.
Mm. As long as my power don't go out, I'm cool.
Yeah, that on Sunday, and then like an inch on Monday or so. Inch or two on Monday.
W.
No, not W. That's not gonna be fun. Yeah, we haven't had snow like this. It's like the 90s, I think. Like 96 and 97.
I don't know. I wasn't born yet, so
I wasn't born yet either, but according to my parents, we haven't gotten snow like that since then.
Where in the US do you live?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Washington. Yeah, close to New York.
Yeah, we're closer to New York.
Pretty far up north.
we're like
We're in
we're like 3
Philly.
hours. Yeah, we're like 3
Yeah.
hours from Missouri.
Hockey is a big thing up there, right?
Kind of everything.
I say
Hockey,
football.
football,
Ah, yeah,
baseball.
maybe.
Kind of everything, to be honest.
Not to be like that, Alex, but did you just say we live to a Swedish Ranger?
You guys already know where I live.
Yeah.
But I am excited for snow. Might have to take myself sledding.
Yeah, that's fun.
That'd be cool shit actually. Or skiing.
Yeah, go up to the Poconos.
You know what's crazy? I don't think I've ever been to the Poconos.
Yeah, that's crazy. You should go. It's fun.
Or at least anytime. No, I have been to the Poconos actually. I don't think I've ever done anything like out there like snow wise. Last time
Mm.
the last time I went out there, it was hot as shit.
I don't think I'm as convinced as you on this upside, Alex.
Same.
I do think we are due if we not see a very aggressive selling, which we have not seen yet, for a bounce to potentially fill that gap. But
There's some volume coming in now.
Big dip, big dip.
I don't think we're gonna break today's high like 250 prior open though.
Yeah, I could be wrong about that. Maybe I'll be a bit too early. Yeah, that's another thing. It might still be early.
the weekly, if we want to see one more all-time high, it's possible, I think. But like to see that divergence play out. But I also think this wedge could break down for real, and we'll see a bigger retrace for the first time since April. But yeah, not seeing the aggressive selling yet
Yeah.
on this downside. I don't get the same feeling as
Yeah,
when the
that's
Trump
probably what
last
I'd
time.
want to see first. I probably want to see us clear. I think below. I think below 600 is a little bit better confirmation for me.
Yeah.
Uh,
I would
yeah. Maybe around there.
Yesterday we used previous week low. Previous week low twice to try to get over and failed. So if we get over there, it's like 430. We should see that gap fill 650, which is quite 650. Almost 700. Yeah, quite decent move. Also,
And I think I'd have to see the weekly candle close as well. Yeah, because technically, yeah, this is kind of a breakdown. So we're actually at support right now.
yeah.
611.70 is my weekly level here. So below, if we get a weekly close below here, probably will be looking better for 600. And if we hold here on the weekly, then
Yeah, we can see one
maybe,
more high,
yeah,
right?
yeah, maybe
Possibly.
one more high if it's a failed breakdown. Although a failed breakdown would have to be like, we would have to see aggressive buying here and immediately
Yeah,
back above like 620s.
yeah,
So,
which would be also about that previous week low for me. Yeah.
and this is still resistance here at 630 basically. But then we'll look for all-time high.
I think the sizing down could apply to today, though. If you look at the pre-market, the last 40 minutes. But
Yeah, we've kind of
Saw
been
that
moving here.
yesterday.
50 minutes, probably.
We saw that yesterday also, though. But yeah, I think I will have reduced size this whole week.
Yeah, probably me too.
Just
Just a
gonna.
lighter week. Which is okay. That's okay.
I think there was a meeting tomorrow in Davos
Yeah, and
between all the
Trump.
leaders and stuff.
Yeah, and Trump will talk Thursday, I think, also, and so on. Well, I didn't reduce size a lot though. Well, just one MQ. I might add if I have about 25 to 30 point stop loss, I might add back full contracts though. If the stop loss is as tight as that, but if it's wider, I will not. Think something like that. Yeah. I'm gonna send you guys the hourly CVD pre-market. I'm gonna show you the not weakness I'm seeing on Nasdaq. So you're making a higher high on CVD on the hourly on the buying pressure, but the price did a lower high, which is
Hmm.
by divergence, which we've seen play out here, of course. But daily, we still have a lot, showing a lot of weakness overall.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I like the gap fill, and we see some buying here, more buying here, probably, and then potentially backtest that wedge breakdown and potentially see continue downside. But I need to see the interaction there. Of course, we could just continue upside. That's always impossible also. I have 3 kids here today, so it might be a bit loud, so I might mute myself more.
Wish we could hear your background.
Shit.
Oh, the puppy's awake. The puppy's awake.
Who's awake?
No, the doggy.
Oh,
The dog's awake.
pooping time.
Might be. Although that usually applies for me.
Yeah. I have a really bad sleeping cycle now. So it's coffee and food time before here, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to go to the toilet. Oh no.
I took a short there at 38s with 3 MNQ. I'm out
Well,
at 208s. Just based on, I didn't think that we were gonna. We took out the daily high, but pre-market, I don't think that we were gonna like keep pushing before the opening, if you get what I mean.
mm,
Yeah, we went right to resistance there
yeah.
Yeah,
and solid.
and a really strong move up, and then like we are stalling, and I usually don't see that the push keeps going like before opening. We can have the opening candle now come in with big buying volume, but usually
you're gonna
was a
see us
nice trade.
doing that sometimes, fading the strength for the back
Yeah.
test, and then we just go out on the back test instead of buying the longs. Where did
Yeah.
you short and where did you recover?
Let's see. I went short at 1524 39 with a 59 no 260 stop loss.
Huh?
And then I went out at 208, so 31 points with 3 MNQ. I was 3 points away from getting stopped out though.
I think that had room to 140, by the way. It's slightly under VWAP if it's gonna retest
Yeah,
supply or
I just don't like
100.
to hold it
Yeah.
past the open because we
Yeah.
can't see.
Alright, here's
Yeah,
How
going.
many?
see some.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. There's some slight weakness here after that open push.
We do have 10 a.m. data today. Let's remember
Oh
that.
yeah, it's not Tuesday, right? Yeah.
Nope, today is Wednesday.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking it was Tuesday, but yeah. Construction, spending, pending home sales. Okay.
Sorry. Trump is still speaking, just so you know.
There's some slight buying there on the low candle taken there.
My view control is not as just horrible today. I literally said long off the open.
Okay.
And weakness again here.
Yeah, selling a little bit. Should get VWAP retest here, I think. VWAP on Qs and NQ, they kind of line up. They're relatively similar here, which is good. It's usually a good thing.
It just looks weaker than I was anticipating here when we see this VWAP retouch here. Because ES had a very nice buying there, but
Is Trump still talking? I mean, I should actually pull that up.
he's.
Yeah, he is. I kinda don't like the low of day today though, because it's on NQ at least it's 3 higher lows. Like from the bottom, it's 2 higher lows, and then we just gotta push. So it's no sweep below them or anything before push.
I like them because ES swept the pillow there. Don't dislike it, the lows.
I don't really like that he's talking right now, to be honest. Like, honestly, want to
Yeah.
wait until he's done talking before I even do anything.
Yeah, that was my thinking also.
Although I'm not sure how long he's supposed to talk for, so...
Just 5 hours, Alex. Just 5 hours.
He's already been talking for an hour, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it should be done quite soon, I think. People were looking for that
This is view up here.
2 week low. This is quite,
I
yeah,
would
this
long
is
here, I
quite
think.
nice area. Are you long?
No,
Oh.
you would long here if you wanted long. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, that was exactly what I was gonna say. If one see this continue, see buying here at 150.
Yep. It's not terrible, I don't think.
No, no, yeah, I agree. I'm not sure I like tickers here though. Maybe they look okay, but
I think
that's
tickers
okay, I'm not
are,
selling.
yeah, they're a little... I think we might have a little bit more room. I want SPY to also top in the view up 90 May here as well. So we might get a little slight draw below here, but I don't know if we'll fully sell it. We have GP sitting below us here as well. Down to like 100-ish or so. So that's kind of
Don't
a
slide.
spot that I really would like to see.
I see some buying here. I was gonna say that before that push there.
I'm gonna drop a stupid question.
Mhm.
Maybe this is answered somewhere, but is there a reason why you're streaming the tickers instead of? Because I know you have a chart of NQ, right?
Yeah, I
It's
do. It's
like
on my
a couple
second
different
monitor
time frames.
right
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Yeah. Is there a reason why I stream tickers?
yeah.
Mainly because that's the main thing I look at whenever I take a trade. So
All
just so
right.
you guys could see exactly what I'm looking at. I think this understanding and looking at the setup on NQ is relatively self-explanatory, quite easy to
Yeah.
understand. But understanding the concept of me entering based off tickers is a little bit
Yeah.
more challenging in my opinion. So
So you're like looking for a couple of tickers to be on a and of course NQ being in a good
mhm.
spot for like a reversal or something like that.
Yep, looking for relative
That's basic.
strength, them being in like reversal areas, you know, and also
Same with
longness. Yeah,
weakness.
yeah.
Yeah, we're using
Yeah.
overnight high, previous high of the day, overnight low, overnight previous low of the day. I use the weekly levels also, but we kind of guide the tickers on a long-term TF, like 4 hours daily, and then use that as supply resistance, and then use those pre-market and yesterday's levels to see multiple ticker coming to supply resistance at the same time, which often results in a nice place to trade, you say, mostly.
Yep.
Yeah, charts are pretty simple here. Only thing that you don't see on the screen is I also use fib. If you, I don't know if you've seen me use that yet, but maybe you haven't. But I also use fib. So yeah, I kind of like this 100 area. That also lines up with the previous low of day. Um, so GP down there is kind of a nice spot for me, I'll be honest.
We don't have high A to R here. Looks quite similar to yesterday.
For now.
Right now. Yeah, for now. Yeah. Looks good for higher here for me.
Yeah, we're
Even if,
kind of trying to hold this here a bit.
yeah.
I did want view up on SPY though. We're super
Yeah.
close, but
Oh,
we may or may
Holy
not get it.
bio.
Let's look at the heat map.
let's see.
Jesus.
I'm gonna look at
Yeah, well,
Bumpy Trump.
everything. I don't have it
Sort
up.
of like,
I don't have the audio on. I don't want to get copyrighted. I would like to
Oh,
listen though.
he's talking.
Well, maybe I'll turn it on for like a second or two.
6-7 places just in the
6-7.
6-7 people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I turned it on. I heard 6-7. I might need to. I gotta turn it off now.
of course,
That's
that
actually
push for
so funny.
higher.
All right,
What does it mean? I'm not into.
I don't know.
Is it a TikTok or is it
I don't think it means anything. I'll be honest. I don't think there is a
six
tweet
seven?
behind it.
I don't think so.
My kid's saying that all the time.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
And then the hands are waved up and down or something like it.
Yeah.
40 points
It's
here.
this was quite a nice long, I think. 160. I think I would be probably outmost here
Oh
though.
yeah, for sure.
Most definitely.
We fill the balance on ES here, and then you would ride rest on above overnight high. But I think you will get over there. We have room, so
Opening candle.
I think this is gonna be a hard place to get over right now.
Tickers still don't love him right now. I'll be honest.
No. I just like that long.
Yeah, that got sold pretty quickly too.
That long was almost 70 points, so it was a nice long, but don't like it as much anymore.
That's 40. Yeah, it's almost 70 or 80 points right there.
It's annoying. It talks just on the left ear for me. Trump.
Only on the left
Yes,
ear.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah, on
It's
that
the same for you.
video I sent.
Oh my god, you're
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
It used to be
Yeah.
when we had a
Why is that?
Turn your headphones around and it will be the right ear. 1 minute each.
They sold that. Yeah. So some selling
Yeah.
pressure there also.
I think we could create a flag. I really like the longs down near P Lodge. I kind of prefer that a lot, to be honest.
See some selling pressure. I think it's still possible that we continue trend down. 4 hour. I'm not sure there.
Hmm.
Man, he's talking long. Is it a
Yeah,
10 a.m. Trade after maybe?
maybe.
I don't see the price reacting to his talking though.
He just said the stock market is gonna go phenomenal, and it was a big fat red candle on it.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, I just mean that it's like you said, it's not really reacting on what he's saying.
What do you think of Netflix for the long term? The
Are you
long-term
asking
port.
us?
Yeah. You should take a look at the chart. I kind of like it.
Oh, that's some nice buying.
I like the spot quite a bit.
Oh yeah. I like it also. 82.2.
Mm-hmm. It's a good
I
buy
would
there.
like the 70, but you probably not see that. But I like 70 most.
I might do it. Not
Mm.
gonna lie. They just reported their
Netflix?
earnings.
Yeah.
Yesterday. So it gave a pretty big dip there.
Net income rose to 2.42 billion. We see the Warner Bros. Bid share earning hits 12.05 billion, surpassing estimate. Yeah, nice. Nice overall, nice.
Ah, this got bought.
Yeah. Looks good, better on tickers now, I think.
Yeah, I'd agree.
Took the low, so buying their tickers. Went to supply, bought it up. Should go for overnight high here.
Really close to GP there. That would get it.
Yeah,
61.8.
yeah, like 25 points or 30.
2 points from 61.8.
Oh, okay. Trump is trumping.
Yeah, I kind of want to wait until he's done talking.
Nicolau, how much are you up now? Is it 40 points?
Yes. With 3 MNQ, I'm up 50 points.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Just
I'm just gonna keep 3 MNQ. I'm not gonna go 4 or 5. I'm just gonna
don't
stay
go
with
red
you
now.
guys.
Don't go red now.
Alrighty.
Close before you're red today. How much dollar are up on that? It's like 200.
307.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. Was a good short from the. I kind of liked it since we also hit this 2nd January low.
Yeah.
And it was like super prior opening.
Yeah. You could potentially reduce the size to 2 MNQ and just risk $100 or something now. But that's when you just don't go back red. So we talked about
Yep.
when you have
100%.
a good open and you try to chill and don't take as much trades and preserve the capital today if you had nice trading.
Yeah, I'm done trading by my own. If it's anything, I'm following you guys, and then
Okay.
I think I'm gonna call it after that.
Awesome.
Yep. I like that long though. ES
Yeah, I liked it also.
like ES took his bottom or took some lows and then got kind of nice strength.
Yeah.
But I held it for 20 points, so just an initial push. Go 1-to-1.
I would say 20 points is a little too little here. Try to
Yeah, with
get
this range,
a bit
it's a
more.
bit.
Yeah, try to get more out of the trades. Because the risk you're putting on when putting in a position, you want to have higher R expectancy.
Yeah.
Overall. Fight that fear a bit.
Yeah, this one could have been held.
When did you cut? What price? 160?
I
180?
bought 141. I sold 162, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very quick.
Yeah, I think 180 at
Super quick.
least were nice there.
Yeah.
Probably up to 200
200.
actually.
Yeah, I like 200.
It's like when I
Oh.
see this volume coming in with me, it's like yeah, it's just that I have a strong urge to like take it. You get what I mean? So I
Yeah,
really need
you
to
need to
practice
fight that.
just like hands off, giving it some time, because often I pick trades like this and then if I take some stupid losses after this, it's like, yeah, holding a trade like this instead could have made my day and me being done. And I'm just saying like nothing else is worth it today. Like thank you for today.
Yeah.
Instead of now I would usually keep going. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I would usually like keep going, take a few bad losses, and then
Yeah.
yeah,
Don't
back
do
to
that.
square one.
Just put your hand away from your from a mouse and just watch and wait.
100%.
It looks quite decent, but I don't really see any strength from tickers right now, to be honest.
Yeah.
Nothing really is leading right now.
Yeah. I'm not seeing really any weakness either.
Mm-hmm.
ES is stronger here overall. Aztec are weaker. We don't mind if you call out the trade when you take it, by the way. We all know that it's our responsible to, if we experience losses, profit. We don't mind.
What did you say?
We don't mind if you say like, I'm long right here. No?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
no, we don't.
Don't want to influence anyone if it's.
Problem
You
with
know,
that also, but
but I don't
not
think
worry
people
about.
is gonna join trades with a random guy that's been here for 2 days anyway. So it would be stupid if they don't see it themselves. But yeah, true, I'll do it.
Maybe we can help you on some trades hold longer if we see that you take a really good trade.
Yeah, that's very true to be honest. Because you probably would have told me to hold it.
Yeah, I think open price there was when we saw that buying was like as good as a chance at as 160. That was 196.25.
Yeah.
Because remember, if you're taking a bit higher wins, you don't need that high of a win percent chance. Instead, it helps a
I mean
lot.
the first trade I took prior open, I don't really like holding it over the open.
No, I think that was the
Because
right call.
so I think it was good to call it, but yeah, technically it looked good to go down a bit lower.
I think the first trade was okay. The second one you should have held longer.
Yeah,
This looks
100%.
still good
Yeah.
overall.
Video looks like it
Just
could
gonna
break
go
the
high.
highs here.
Yeah.
Kind of flagging. Sort of breaking out right now. I think he's done talking.
Yeah, they're clapping.
Yeah, he's done. Right.
How do I turn this off? Oh, it's on Discord.
It's gonna be in your left ear for years.
Oh no, he's not
This was
done.
supposed to be a.
I lied.
Oh.
He's not done.
I see quite strong buying on CVD here.
Yeah, we have that in 10. Just gonna wait.
Yeah.
Now he's getting interviewed, right? I think.
I cut
I
it.
don't think
I
I should
can't
start
listen
with
to it
real
anymore.
maybe. I'll start with the economy. The U.S. economy is doing.
Yeah, this is probably where it'll get a little dicey because he is being interviewed now rather than just talking.
Oh yeah. Should move more if he says something bad or good.
Yeah.
I think I will be watching the 50 minutes close here. See if we can overcome overnight high here on this close. Still think we have previous week low target here, 421, or upside today possibly. If it continues his strength here. If they can close above overnight high here with strength. I'm not really liking buying here, but I think it has some room actually.
Yeah, overnight high target was good.
Damn Trump, I think we would have been long, possibly, if he was not talking. That's how it is.
Yeah, I really like Spy setup there, honestly. I like Spy a lot.
Yeah.
I think Hughes is also nice, I guess, actually.
I kinda need to wait for data here anyway, so.
Yep.
You're sitting at 2.4k drawdown now, Nikolai, right?
Correct.
Oh, that's nice. If you can keep trading for MNQ, that account
Yeah.
is gonna be very secure.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not. I have a block on 7, I think.
700?
That's the name. The 7 MNQ is my block. Like I
Oh, yeah,
can't go
yeah.
higher, and I can't
Yeah,
trade
that's
NQ either. So
that's good. Awesome. Well done. Alex, you're listening to him, right?
Yep.
Maybe I should listen again.
Well, kind of. I'm like going in and out. I should listen from my phone or something. I don't know.
Spanish flu.
Kind of unfortunate. I really like the long there.
Yeah, same.
Now what do I look for? That's kind of the idea for today. Long up to
Yeah.
overnight high.
Yeah, that's why I said damn Trump. Damn Trump. He didn't move the market though. He didn't.
No, yeah.
Hard to know though.
Still pushing here. Tickers look good.
Yeah.
This could really get some momentum pickup here. I think now that we cleared the above overnight high, especially with the way tickers are kind of setting up here.
Data in 3 minutes.
Don't think we'll move much off that.
Yeah, probably. The 4 hour looks good here from continue upside, I think. You could see a bit retrace and then continue, but doesn't look like for the time being. You see kind of a lot raw buying here on the CVD for me. Went to resistance on Google here. Same with Nvidia, Microsoft, but it looks good overall. No, go back to 250. Back to
from
250.
diaper change.
Oh, nice.
Ooh,
It's
we're
going
pushing.
without us. Yeah. Broke the
Yeah.
highs and then relative strength across all tickers here. That looks
Yeah,
something you probably don't want to short.
yeah, I agree.
Wait. Ugh.
Something you probably don't want to short, in my opinion.
Somebody short and let me see what happens.
7 MNQ. Short.
No, no, don't do it. I
It's
still
good
want
because
a overnight high tap here, but maybe we don't see it. But structure
Retest there.
wise, would be nice. Yeah, would be nice.
Yeah. I'd agree. Wait, one of my overnight highs is wrong. I think my one on QQQ is wrong. Yeah, it is. Okay. Hate how it does that.
Yeah, that's very
Yeah,
wrong.
overnight high is right here.
Yeah, yeah.
One on NQ is correct. That's good. No, it went without us. The move I wanted today.
do you have an indicator for it, or do you set them out yourself?
It does it automatically. It's a
Okay.
script. But sometimes the charts get a little bugged and we just get like a crazy large candle like this right here and then it'll
Yeah.
actually count it. Not sure
Yeah.
why that happens, but it does.
Yeah. Did you have anything on like that on Top Step, Philip, with those charts? Like, so you can have overnight high, overnight low?
I don't use top step.
No, but you did for a while.
Yeah, they had their own actually top step levels, which indicates previous overnight high, low, previous. You can set it yourself.
Top Step daily
Actually,
levels. There we see.
yeah, I think they have the most levels there, not all. But we have our own script on TradingView. Carlos made that prints all our levels.
The genius himself.
Yeah. Yeah. He made indicator for us.
Yeah, I made the
So
Thinkorswim
it's
one
invite only. Yeah.
thanks to
It's invite
ChatGPT.
only, but you can just you can just ask Carlos, the genius, about it
I just
if you want it.
applied Top Step levels, but yeah, yesterday's high, last week's high, settlement, value area low, a lot of
Yeah,
shit.
we don't use volume profile on the daily levels, but they're good. They're good. I use volume profile a lot overall. So
But last week's high, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. What is weekly kickoff? Low.
yeah, I'm not sure actually.
Last week's low. Yeah.
How is X platform now? Is it stable?
I mean, I would say it's been stable. I haven't seen anything in a while, actually.
Man, Trump is talking.
Hey,
That
okay.
I really didn't. That I really didn't do a lot. Carlos, send the training view script for you if you want to use it.
Can I use it for in Top Step X?
No, you can just use it in
This chart?
trading view.
Ah,
Oh, you don't use
okay.
trading view then? You
No,
just use top
I
left.
don't have
Okay.
trading view at the moment.
Yeah.
I've just been canceling my subscription since I haven't. I've only
Yeah,
been
that's
on
not bad.
brokers, but I'll probably get it in the future though.
You don't need it, I think, if you don't look at tickers like we.
Yeah.
Just looking at ETH NASDAQ, you don't need it. Top
Yeah.
step, good enough then. Now we talk about Denmark.
Maybe we should just wait to short this. That way our day will come by or be finished a little sooner. Short to overnight high. It's possible.
Yeah.
Although I was the one that said we probably shouldn't short this.
Yeah. Based on the 4 hour, I'm not the most fan of shorts yet, but
Yep.
oh,
But knowing me, I always say something and I always go against
yeah.
my word. I don't
Yeah.
listen to myself.
There's some selling pressure on CVD there, but price just moved up. Based on tickers, I don't think the short looks that bad, but ES looks very strong. But we went right to resistance here. It is 60 points to overnight high here. Not that bad though. Just not sure we're gonna.
Fucking suck. My bad, I muted.
Alex, why didn't you short the 40 area? Hello? Alex? Maybe he's not here.
Yeah, I was going to mention, based off that TKL tweet that I posted yesterday or day before yesterday, this is kind of in line with, what they were kind of mentioning, even though I haven't heard what Trump's saying or what he's tweeting, but kind of falls in line. About today would be, Wednesday or Thursday would be an update. And then going into the weekend, probably Trump will say something negative, which would, potentially bring another low.
Alright, I'm back, sorry.
Could be potential actually, since like depends if EU goes in and says like we don't agree with you on any point, etc. Like Trump could say something or threaten even more. You know what I mean, with tariffs or whatever. So that could be accurate.
Accurate? Sorry.
Accurate.
Accurate. I don't know.
Yeah, accurate.
Our
Yeah,
Swinglish here.
yeah. I just said it. Accurate. I don't know which country says accurate.
Yeah, we're still not at my short level yet, by the way. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this here. Yeah, we're kind of close. I'm looking for like 60. Kind of the zone right here, but I think we could still put in another high here. Oh, he's talking for a long time.
Yeah, super long. 1 minute flag. Don't see the buying pressure here for now, but I think it will pick up. We'll see.
I think we could have one more leg higher.
Two more legs higher for me in the previous week low. I think we're gonna take that out today, but maybe not right now. Wait, the hourly. Oh, the hourly is kinda, yeah. Oh, we filled the imbalance here on the hourly. Okay, 338 first. If we overcome this, I have nothing before previous week low and the two highs on the left on the hourly for me. Either we see some backtesting here or we see up to 420, 25, 30.
Yeah, the girlfriend called me, told me that she actually might be able to graduate in December of this year.
Oh,
I
oh
was like, wow,
wow.
so soon, right?
Yeah,
That's what I said. So, yeah, with her bachelor's, but she's going for a doctorate, so she still has another
2 years,
three
right?
3 years.
3?
Yeah,
Oh, it's 3 years in USA. It's
yeah,
just 2 years in Sweden from bachelor to.
yeah. I think she's in school for like 7 years or something like that. But yeah, I'm surprised. She graduates a little early, so maybe she will be done a little earlier.
You're gonna
Nice.
get invited to the big ass McMansion that you're gonna have, Alex.
Mac
That
Mansion.
$12 million house in Texas, zero property tax.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna
You
be
need to,
gone by a tornado.
but you need to buy a lot of gold so you can do like Joaquin von Anka and do a gold swimming area. That's gonna be expensive how gold is reacting here. Buying. Oh my god.
This is flagging here.
No,
Although we're not getting a lot of buying pressure though.
no. Very little buying pressure here. I think we're backtest here. Like I said before, this is the resistance for me done previous week low, which will be 430 area. I don't have anything beside that. This is hourly imbalance fill. Overnight high. Above.
Yeah, I
Oh.
see that.
We cleared overnight high. Not.
Here the overnight high is only like 50 points though, 60 points.
No. No. I think you see it selling here though. But how much? Not sure.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh wait, is he done? I missed it. What happened?
I stopped listening to him.
I have him muted, but I don't know. They're not showing him anymore. He might be done. Did he walk out? Wait, he's done. All right. Now we're good.
That's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, he said.
Just I'm buying there at the 290s. On the CDs.
Wonder if this could be a trend day. That's actually
Yeah.
probably what we'd want to see, right? If we wanted this to get bought.
Yeah. I'm not convinced, but yeah, based on VIX here. But hourly, wow, looks good. Saw some buying there again on the flag lows.
Yeah, failed breakdown on the 1. For right now, anyways.
VIX looks like you wanna buy though. Gotta be honest.
Yeah, tickers should have room to
That's good.
retest a little lower.
Could be wrong here. We could still sell here, but
I think tickers have room, but not really seeing a lot of strength pull it down. You see,
yeah.
but
Bought that 300 directly. Okay. I don't see the buying pressure here either yet. On the CD. Either. Flag is trying though, but
yeah, I'm long.
oh, you're long.
Yeah,
Where?
22. Should we run 30 point stop? 30 points right at. Uh, 2. Yeah, that's valid. Yeah, let's just run a 30 point stop.
Could get some volume here.
Are we on no more contracts?
No, I'm still on 10.
That size.
Where was you entering your stop? Your stop is at 90.
92. I have a
Right at
regular
that
30.
low.
I kind of like this 1 minute, how it's setting up. I think we could kinda
MNQ had a wick there. Did NQ as well?
Yeah.
Yep.
To
Yeah.
350. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't take it yet.
There's some buying pressure there, but that's sold really fast there also. But looks good. I think.
Here we go. I'm looking to target 65 here. It's not bad though, in terms of points. This is pretty decent points.
Mm.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take a trim here. Out half. Actually, you take full. I'm all out. Take this
Nice
full.
trade, boys.
Nice trade, Alex.
Thank you, sirs. Thank you, sirs.
Oh, I got.
Well, I
three-
did 1 in Q today.
Oh, nice. I got 375 by the way.
Oh, nice. That's nice.
On
I got
full exit.
370.
I don't know what you see that 365. I see 380. EB high is 377. That's my. I don't see your.
Wait, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
I
What
have
was
level
365?
exact. I don't know.
Oh, it's
the level I
it's
have.
the new high, right? Yeah. Because I have 380 area. Yeah, it is test on that breakdown. Okay, I see. Okay, then it makes sense. 360, 380. Yeah, okay. I see it. Both are cases there. It's around that area. So why didn't we do full size this week? I'm kidding.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna do full size, but I was kind of skeptical. It's been like the whole morning rush was kind of bad. Super volatile.
Yeah, but we only see buying since the open here.
Yeah,
I really like buys, but honestly, Nikolai's entry was so good there.
it was
Yeah.
Actually.
perfect. Yeah, it was
Yeah,
solid.
and we didn't really have any retest. This was just a micro 1 minute flag that got bought, and he bought
Mhm.
the flag breakout. But I mean, the real backtest we have not seen it yet. On the 2 minutes, we technically, for me, on high trend days, 300 is supply there, which bought, but
I had a level around
that's not.
130 to about 120, but it never pulled down at lower, so I never took it as my support level.
You didn't take the trade.
No. So earlier, maybe around like 940-ish, it pulled down
Yeah.
to my one of my levels, but it needed to come down just a tad bit more. And I didn't take it. I would have been in at those lists at like 130. I'm so
Uh,
happy with that. Judging from
Nikolai,
the
did you take that?
No, I was a bit late. I was not really paying attention to the PC
Yeah.
one. So,
But you're up as much as
okay.
us. I think you should close the screen for now. Then
Yeah.
you have
45 points for me today.
you got like
Mm.
50 points. You had a solid day, Nikolai. Don't be
Yeah,
greedy.
Don't pull a rich
100%.
man. Don't pull a rich.
No, I won't.
He said that too quick. He's like, hell no, I'm not doing that.
Because the
I
high
have,
probability long already played out here.
yeah, I think with
After
that volume, like,
380, we need to see a daily or 4 hour push about 430 for me to sustain anything more and see that gap fill at 600. I think this is, if we don't trend, this would be resistance today.
yeah, I
But
think we could see a short to like 270 maybe.
Yeah. Now I'd like shorts here within this area. Now that my 65 level's been tapped.
yeah, I think backleft to 250 here, to 230 and then range see higher, previous week low, 240, 240, 225 for 2030 is on play. But well, that was nice. See you guys tomorrow.
Nice day
Oh.
today.